Trump tells Supreme Court he'll appeal bat-esque insane E. John Carroll's case. If y'all don't know, this crazy woman, she's a nut job, because if y'all seen her from her CNN interview with Anderson Cooper, you can tell right away that she's a nut job, who said that President Trump attacked her years ago in a clothing store, and she received millions of dollars off of it. It's crazy, with no proof, no evidence, no anything, and a judge, because they hate Trump so much, awarded her millions of dollars. It's crazy. It's one of the craziest cases I've ever seen in my life. And Trump is asking the Supreme Court to step in. So we're going to talk about it. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button. Share this out so we can get this information out there. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And hit that alarm bell so you know when I'm putting out new stuff. Also, check out my link tree in the description. It has a link to my Patreon. That's where I talk about things that I can't talk about here. There's also a link to my Instagram and my X account. So follow me there as well. All right, so let's get into this news. Now, this comes from the Liberty Daily by way of the Epic Times. And they report that President Donald Trump plans to ask the Supreme Court this fall to overturn a civil jury verdict that found he sexually abused writer E. John Carroll and defamed her, his attorney said in a new court filing. Now, Trump's intentions were revealed in an application docket by the nation's highest court on September 2nd. In the application, his lawyers asked the court to extend an upcoming September 10th deadline for filing a petition to challenge the $5 million verdict to November 10th. The application was directed to Justice Sonia Sotomayor, who handles urgent appeals from New York. We all know she's a leftist judge, so I don't even know if she's gonna approve of this. But Trump, quote, intends to seek review of significant issues arising out of the trial and what he termed the erroneous ruling by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit that affirmed the verdict according to the application. On June 13th, a divided second court denied a rehearing in the case. Circuit judges Stephen Menashe and Michael Park dissented from the ruling. Quote, these holdings conflict with controlling precedents and produced a judgment that cannot be justified under the rules of evidence that apply as a matter of course in all other cases, Menashe said in the dissent joined by Park. And it's true. Like, what other person get awarded, have to pay $5 million for a case like this, something that is definitely unproven, and the woman is back crap crazy. But Trump's attorney in the case, Justin D. Smith of James Otis Law Group, LLC in St. Louis, Missouri, said more time was needed to file the petition. Quote, undersigned counsel faces a significant press of business due to many upcoming deadlines, Smith said. Carroll gave evidence during a 2023 trial that Trump attacked her in 1996 in a dressing room in a Manhattan department store near the Trump Tower. In its May 2023 verdict, the federal jury held Trump liable for sexually abusing Carroll and defaming her when he made statements in October 2022 denying her allegations. The jury awarded Carroll $5 million in damages. This is crazy. Who would award this? In another lawsuit filed by Carroll, a federal jury ordered Trump to pay $83.3 million in damages over statements he made in 2019 denying the sexual assault allegations. So, because he denied it, he has to pay $83 million. Are you? This is political lawfare. A 3-judge panel of the Second Circuit affirmed the verdict in December 2024, rejecting Trump's argument that the trial judge's ruling invalidated the trial by allowing others who accused Trump of sexual abuse to testify. 3 women said Trump carried out similar acts against them in 2005 and the 1970s. Trump denied the allegations. Quote, President Trump has consistently and unequivocally denied Carroll's allegations in both cases, the new application said. Carroll obtained the $5 million award based on incorrect findings, after which the federal district court wrongly interpreted the law and improperly prevented President Trump from contesting the merits of that action, the filing said. After that, Carroll secured the, quote, unjust judgment of $83.3 million, the application said. We do not believe that President Trump will be able to present any legal issues in Carroll cases that merit review by the United States Supreme Court, Robert Kaplan, Carroll's attorney, said on September 3rd. But we will be following this because this is crazy, man, that something like this can happen. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Leave y'all comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. And check out jjthepsychotherapist.com for the latest in news. Until next time, peace.